Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Kimi AI app on Android or iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up a web browser on your mobile device. Now in the URL, go ahead and click into it. And now you want to paste this. So it needs to be, if I go to the start, so kimi.moonshot.cn /download/app and then hit enter. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. And now you're going to be redirected to this page here. And then it'll say this file may be harmful. Do you want to download kimi.apk anyway? Go ahead and click on download anyway. And you make sure you can download the iPhone or Android version here. So I've downloaded the Android version. And now, as you can see, it's downloading the file. So I'm going to go ahead and click on details. And now the file size is around 32 megabytes in size at the time of recording. So just give it a few moments to download depending how fast your internet speed is. I'm in a slow internet area at the moment, so I'm just going to have to wait a little bit longer. I'll pause this video and get back to you once it's finished downloading. Alright, it is finished downloading. So now from here we need to go ahead and click onto it. And then it'll say, Kimi Assistant, do you want to install this app? Go ahead and click on install. And now it's going to go ahead and install it onto your phone. And now from here, simply open it up and click, I'm assuming I don't speak this language, so I'm assuming it's going to be that button there. I was right. Click allow, and then yeah, that's how to download and install the Kimi AI app on your Android or iPhone devices.